Hello everyone, my name is Fazia Zahra from class 2D, ID number 63251431N.
My name is Dian Yulita, ID number 6325316.
Hello everyone, welcome back to video. Today we're going to discuss another important topic in the digital era, which is internet and email. Joining us is an expert in this field. See you! Hello everyone, welcome to your podcast. I'm your host and today we will talk about the internet, its benefits and its impact. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm happy to be here.
First, what is the internet?
The internet is a global network that connects people and devices around the world. It helps us communicate, find information, study, work, and enjoy entertainment.
Why is the internet important in our daily lives?
Because it makes many activities easier and faster. We can learn online, talk to friends, shop, and even work from home.
What are the biggest benefits of the internet for students?
Students can search for information, watch education video, attend online classes, and complete their assessment for easily.
That's great, but does the internet have any negative effect?
Yes, it does. Some people spend too much time online. There are also problems like fake news, cyberbullying, and online scam.
How can we avoid those problems?
We should use the internet wisely. Don't share personal information with strangers. Check information before clicking it. Skin time.
Do you think social media is more positive or negative effect?
I think it depends on how we use it. Social media and useful communication and learning, but using it too much can waste time and affect our mental health.
What advice will you give to young people?
Use the internet to learn new skills, improve your knowledge, and communicate respectfully. Always think before you post something online.
That's very good advice. Thank you for sharing your ideas with us today.
You're welcome. I hope everyone can use the internet safely and responsibly.
Thank you to your guests and to all our listeners. See you in the next episode. Goodbye. Goodbye everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic in the digital era, which is email. Joining us is an expert in this field. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me.
Alright, let's get right into it. Could you explain what this email actually is and why it's important for us?
Email or electronic mail is a letter sent electronically. Over the internet, email is very important because it allows you to communicate quickly, formally, and to send attachments such as documents or photos.
That's very interesting. So, what's the differences between email and instant messages like WhatsApp?
The difference is in how they use it. Email is more formal and is usually used for work, school, or business purpose. Meanwhile, chat apps like WhatsApp are more casual, used for everyday conversation.
What are the important parts of an email?
There's the do. File for the response address, the subjects, the body for the main message, and usually a signature at the end.
What are some common mistakes people make when writing emails?
Using informal language, forgetting at mess, and not checking for typos before sending.
Is safe to use email? Are there any risks we should be aware of?
Email is generally safe, but you should be careful of spam and phishing emails. Never click on suspicious links or share personal information with unknown senders.
Alright, one last question. What are some tips for writing a good email?
Now, first, use a clear subject line. Second, use polite greeting and closing. Third, keep the message content short and clear.
Thank you so much for this very helpful explanations. See you in the next time topic.
Bye! That concludes our group video. Thank you and see you next time.